Damn, Brizzo.
What?
You stink. You gotta take
Should I go take a bath?
You totally should go take a bath.
Nicely done.
I got right off the top of the head. It's like I
So-
didn't think about it.
This is the baths. Watching it now, you could probably run past these guys. I don't even know I'm wasting my time. But then again, I'm not sure because I like to be thorough.
Don't you hate it when you make a walkthrough, and then when you realize a really good strategy when you're voicing it over? It's like, wow, I could have looked so much smarter.
Yeah, I tend to just say the thing and be like, well, you see what I'm doing now? Don't do that. Do what I'm telling you to do.
Right?
So that whirlwind attack I told you about in the last video, that's what I keep doing when he slams the ground.
When he's like, ground, I hate you.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. So those guys that respawn guys with the electric orange energy, you want to do it next to them to knock them down and then hit them with the finisher real quick. Plus, those guys with the shields, it's you can do it against them for massive damage. Huh?
What did the ground ever do to this guy?
I don't know.
He was just like, you know what? I hate the environment.
It's super effective.
You feign?
You feign.
You know, when you play Pokemon, it was like, you just use this attack. It's super effective. Other Pokemon feigns. Or feints or something like that.
I don't know. I know it's from Pokemon is what I just said, but I don't know what you're talking about. I haven't played a Pokemon game in 10 years.
You're gonna be consistent. It's either Pokemon or Pokemans.
Pokemans.
You're gonna be like the old dudes who always say, "You playing your Pokemans?"
Well, you know how it's funny on the internet to call things what they're not, like pronounce things wrong on purpose?
Yeah.
That's why.
How silly.
Oh no, well, it's funny. So, because we're light on material here, tell us about lol cheese.
I was just thinking about lol cheese. So yeah, where I live, the brand of cheese I buy is called Land of Lakes.
It's a major brand.
Like that.
It's not
And
just in the Northeast. It's a major brand.
Well, I don't know that. I live in Bumblefuck. But
Right. Damn it.
But on the deli, like when they give you the cheese, they kind of abbreviate it on the deli packaging slip, and how they abbreviate it is LOL, wait, American cheese or something like that. So it says LOL cheese.
So we were talking about what kind of cheese is expensive, and which is the most expensive?
LMFAO cheese.
No.
Rafflecopter cheese.
Rafflecopter cheese. Imagine
Dude,
how expensive that has to be.
Don't even get me started on that kind of stuff, man. You gotta own a palace like the one in Prince of Persia to afford that kind of cheese.
For real. See, the LMAO cheese is pretty bad, and the Raffle cheese is pretty bad, and the LMFAO cheese is even worse. But Rafflecopter cheese, please.
That rhymed.
Thank you. I actually did that on purpose. I was thinking about it, and then I said it, and it was funny. Remember that time I said that thing about the cheese and it rhymed?
Yo, that was like so last week.
I know. Need to get into the future. It's 2011.
Damn. You know what I hate doing?
This game came out a year ago.
You know what I hate doing? Like when you look at the expiration date on something, and it says like, say it's like, today's what, June 20th?
Yeah.
Say it's the expiration date is like June 5th, 2011, and you're like, oh shit, this expired like 3 weeks ago.
I don't do that.
I do that all the time. I hate it.
You want to know why you do that?
This expired 2 weeks ago. Next year.
Oh, remember when I was talking to you earlier when I was playing this game and I kept complaining about falling into the spikes?
That part.
Yeah, that pit I just ran over. Couldn't handle it. Third time playing the game and I couldn't make it over that pit.
Have you ever played the world's hardest game? That Flash game where like you're a red brick and there's a bunch of blue
No,
dot.
but perhaps you could tell us about it in the next video.
Good thing you reminded me.